Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've filmed one of these. I skipped the last one because it just didn't really call to me. But I usually always get these Sephora special edition play bags. So I got an email the other day and I was like, okay, I like what I could potentially get in this special edition bag. So I ordered it. Normally it's like $20 and this one was $25. So it came in this little pink plastic bag. And this is what the little package looks like. So you unwrap it. I personally don't like these chingaderas. I usually give them away. All the products are in here. And get this little sleeve with cards that talk about all the products. So this one is called the Play Luxe by Sephora Volume 1. It is limited edition and it's already sold out. Like I said, it's $25 and you get like 6 things in here and they're all high end. Just fucking dropped everything. So yeah, this is the little bag that I'm just gonna give away because I don't like it. Not ever gonna use it. Volume 1. You deserve nice things. So lather up in La Mer, prime with pure gold, and indulge with Play Luxe from Sunday to Monday. First thing, La Mer. Super expensive skincare brand that I love. I've tried this before. We got the La Mer The Eye Concentrate. 3 mils. It's this little tiny little tube here. So an eye cream. Yay. I'm almost out of my eye cream. Granted, I don't think I would purchase a full size of this, but you know, whatever. What it says on the card is, this lavish eye cream is highly coveted for a reason. It mixes the appearance of dark circles with hematite, a magnetically charged mineral, while it softens and smooths skin. Your eyes are the window to your soul. Show them some respect. The next thing is, again, teeny tiny, this SK2 RNA Power Face Cream. And what it says on the card is, it's a best-selling velvety face cream that visually firms and smooths fine lines and wrinkles immediately and over time. It's packed with sake-derived patera featuring a blend of vitamins, amino acids, and minerals. Well, cheers to that. The next thing is this Guerlain L'Or Radiance Primer, which I already own, and I've gotten in a few of these limited edition boxes, bags, whatever. So I love it because they're, you know, travel size friendly. Teeny tiny. And like I said, I already own the full size. What it says on the card is, why should jewelry have all the fun? This decadent skin perfecting primer is infused with flakes of pure 24 karat gold. Its cooling gel formula smooths, hydrates, and preps skin for flawless, long-lasting makeup. And I agree. So it's, I've had this primer for a while, and sometimes I'll put it away and not use it just because I don't want to use it up, but it's really, really good. So we also got a mascara, and this one is from Giorgio Armani Beauty. It's the Eyes to Kill. And what it says on the card is a splendid high-performance mascara that gives your lashes length, volume, and texture in just one swipe. Its asymmetrical bristles evenly coat every last lash with pitch black pigment for major drama, the good kind. That's what the card looks like. I prefer getting the deluxe sample size or the travel size of mascaras instead of buying a full tube. I feel like they last just as long as a full size tube. And you don't have to pay that much. The lip product that we got is a YSL Tatouage Couture Liquid Matte Lip Stain in One Rouge Tatouage. And that's what that looks like. I'm wearing it right now. It's very, very lightweight, very comfortable. And it dries down matte. There is a little transfer, but that's okay. It's a lip stain, so I'm sure it's going to wear really, really nicely. What it says on the card: a lightweight, luxurious lip stain in a vibrant pink red shade for a low-maintenance, high-impact look that lasts from brunch to galas. The no-feather formula and unique liner-like applicator tip create perfectly lined lips every time. Well, I can agree to that. I didn't use a lip liner today. And this is what the applicator looks like. Oh, and this is the card. And last, Atelier Cologne, Iris Rebel Cologne Absolute, in this little box. And to be quite honest, I always give these away because usually we get the California orange one and I don't like it. So it's a pretty big sample size, or travel size. Well, that's yuck. I was trying to take the cap off because it comes with a spray and I just got it everywhere. Oh, I didn't lose that much of it. See? Can you tell? It's right there. So what it says on the card: this fresh floral blend adds that dash of flair with notes of orange flower absolute, black pepper, and white musk accord, plus Moroccan iris that blooms as it touches your skin, prepared to be stopped and sniffed. Yeah, no. And this is what the card looks like. So that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And I will see you later. Bye.